Oh my goodness. This is pretty amazing. Hello, Spooky Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me. I absolutely love dance. And honestly, one of my favorite parts about practicing ballet and all forms of dance are the amazing outfits that I get to wear. Down in the description box, you'll see a link for my try-on video. Recently, I ordered a whole bunch of fun new items to freshen up my dance wardrobe. I've got them all right here, so we're gonna open them up and take a look. Let's do this. The first item is this really cute little bodysuit that has shorts attached to it. The fabric is really soft. I'm gonna link all of these items for you guys, so if there's something you like, you can go ahead and check them out. And if you check out my try-on video, where I'm gonna be showing you all of my dance wardrobe, you will get to see me try this on as well. It's really soft on the inside. I'm really excited about this. I've wanted one of these for a while now, and I'm so happy that I got this. Here's the second package. This package had 3 different items, 2 pairs of tights in fun colors, and a new pair of slippers. So let's take a look. So I got tights in 2 of my favorite colors. As you can imagine, I already have a lot of black tights, but I was so excited to get a pair of white and a pair of red. I think these white are gonna contrast really nicely with a lot of the black leotards and things that I already have, and I absolutely love red, and this is such a beautiful red. It's so gorgeous and vibrant. I am really, really excited about these. These have a lot of wonderful stretch to them, so they should be comfortable in the waistband, but they also seem quite strong and like they're gonna be relatively opaque, which I think will look really pretty. These are going to look absolutely beautiful. Here are the slippers that I purchased. These slippers are made of canvas, which I'm very pleased with. I wanted something that was made of canvas, and I'm really excited about these. They seem quite nice. They're a soft toe, as you can tell. They still have padding in the ball of the foot and the heel, but there's a lot of nice flexibility. They have a cute little crisscross elastic and the little front tie elastic, which you can use to tighten them. Usually I'll tie them off at the size I like them, then I will cut them and tuck whatever tiny little tails are still there right underneath, so you won't see those at all when I'm dancing. They'll be out of the way. These I think are going to be perfect to have another little backup pair and have something in black. These are really, really cute, and I'm very excited to get started with these. And our last item is in this box. This is something I have been wanting for a while. It's sort of a dreamy fantasy piece for me. I think it can be a lot of fun to purchase something like this. I'm keeping you all in suspense. I'm thrilled that this has arrived. So let's open it. So in this box, there were 2 items, one of which is a skirt and the other is a tutu. In my most recent iteration of my dance wardrobe, I didn't have either. So this is a lot of fun and very exciting for me. Let's take a look. So this is the little skirt. It feels really lovely. It's this chiffon that's really light and floaty. When it lays out for a while, all these creases will go away, and somewhat transparent, which will be really beautiful. I feel like this is gonna move really nicely. It has these lovely little ribbons on it, which I think are a really nice touch. So pleased. And if you want to see this one on, this is also something I'll have in my dance wardrobe video. This is by far one of the most fanciful and exciting pieces that I will now have in my dance wardrobe. This is a tutu. I've never had an adult size tutu before. I've wanted one of these for a very long time, and I am so excited to take a look at this with you and see what it looks like. So let's do this. Oh my goodness. This is pretty amazing. I am absolutely delighted that this arrived. It's so beautiful, so many layers. The tulle is really standing up really nicely. Seems like a very comfortable waistband to me. This is really exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look like a beautiful flower, just like this little flower. So this was included with my purchase, was this adorable little flower pin that has little glitter on it and a little hair clip. Wow, it really stays up really nicely. Such a beautiful material. So here are all the items that I got today. I am really pleased with everything that arrived. I'm so excited to try on all of these for you. Now I know I gave you only a little bit of a tease of what all these items look like, but I very much hope you'll go ahead and check out my try-on videos so you can see all these items and all the other pieces that I have in my dance wardrobe. Thank you so much for tuning in, Spooky Beautiful. Remember to leave a like, go ahead and comment, tell me which one of these items you think is the most beautiful. I know my vote is for the tutu over here. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss out. And remember, stay spooky.